Jai Hind all of you. I am Professor P.M. Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, KKO College of Agriculture, Nashik. Today we discuss on impact on LEIA means low external input agriculture and HEIA high external input agriculture on crop productivity and sustainable agriculture. HEIA this is largely depends on the use of inputs like chemical fertilizers, pesticides, labor saving but energy intensive farm machinery. This has increased the production and labor efficiency, but it also cause adverse effect on soil productivity and environmental quality. It has also degraded the natural resources as follows: soil erosion, water availability, salinizations, fertilizer and pesticide contamination, genetic erosion. Advantages of HEIA: agriculture production could be rapidly increased to meet the demand of food for increasing population. As a result of availability of adequate foodstuffs, many problems related to diseases caused by malnutrition and deficiency were prevented or reduced. New improved varieties give yield within a short period of time. Mechanization solved the problem of labor shortage. Income and profit margin of the products were increased. Productivity of land increased. Increased market facilities for disadvantages of HEIA: collapse of environmental balance due to lack of biodiversity by planting a few cash crops. Increase in soil erosion due to constant furrowing by machinery. Machinery depends on improved machinery, chemical, fertilizer, pesticide, hybrid seeds and other inputs. Extensive use of pesticides disturb the natural mechanism of controlling pests and diseases as the artificial pesticides kill the both pest and their natural enemies. LEIA as a production activity that use synthetic fertilizers or other chemicals below rates commonly recommended. It does not mean elimination of these materials. Yields are maintained through greater emphasis on cultural practices, IPM, and utilization of on-farm resources. LEAI is based on reduction but not necessarily elimination of chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and herbicides. Farmers are adapting these pesticides primarily to reduce costs but also because they want to minimize impact on the environment or because they perceive future pesticide regulation. The different characteristics of HEIA and characteristics of LEIA. First, farming pattern depends heavily on external and chemical inputs. In characteristics of LEAI, relies on the optimal use of natural processes. Focus of agricultural development and research has mainly been on maximizing yield coupled with the increasing specialization of production. In LEIA, focus on the sustainability of farming system. In HEIA, there is greater damage to the environment. In LEIA, environmentally sound and that have potential to contribute to the long-term sustainability of agriculture. Then, continuing drop in price of farm produce and the rising cost of agriculture input have made farming increasingly unprofitable. In LEIA, greater emphasis on the long-term sustains and balance between the profit and livelihood. In HEIA, HEIA depends on the higher production and profit without consideration of the local needs and local market and characteristics of LEIA. Sustainable ecological practices depends on largely on local agrochemical ecological conditions and on local socio-economic circumstances. Then primarily one or two commodity driven development, lack of diversity in the farming practices. As a result, there is a greater risk of failure and price fluctuation. In LEIA, on way of LEIA is a diversification of farms with a range of crops and animals. Farmers will suffer less from price fluctuation or drop in yield of single crops. Under HEIA system, soil quality deteriorates and there is resurgence of pests, lack of resilience in soil plant system. LEIA maintains a healthy soil, recycling nutrients on the farm, utilization approaches such as IPM. In HEIA, there is lack of use of indigenous technologies. In LEIA, best use of technologies such as soil and water conservation, then better timing operation, improved crop spacing and densities, then manures and compost and water application based on local. Thank you. Jai Hind.